Ni hao, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the final ong. When you see the English letter ENG in Pinyin, the pronunciation is ong. It's like the UNG in the English word young, but the G sound is barely pronounced. Say ong. When you pronounce the ong sound first, pronounce the Mandarin Chinese sound, like the used to express hesitation in English. Then combine the sound with the nasal sound, like in the English word king. Say ong. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. Ong, 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 ong. Pronunciation exercise for ong sound. Let's combine the initial the final ong, and the high pitch first tone all together. The ong dong. Repeat after me. The ong dong. Dong, dong, dong. Dong is light in Chinese. Let's combine the initial f, the final ong, and the high pitch first tone all together. F, ong, fong. Repeat after me. F, ong, fong. Fong is wind in Chinese. Question. When you see the English letter ENG in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is ong. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.